Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're reviewing the LAUNCH CR3008 Plus OBD2 scanner. Whether you're a deer, a professional mechanic, or just looking to save a trip to the dealership, this little device could be your new best friend. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. The LAUNCH CR3008 is designed to be compact, portable, and sturdy, with a 2.8-inch color screen that makes reading data much easier than on older monochrome devices. It's also got this rugged housing, which makes it feel durable for daily use. If you want to buy this product, click on the description below the video. Installation is simple. Just plug it into the OBD2 port and it powers on automatically. No complicated setup, just plug and play. LAUNCH CR3008 Plus Car Diagnostic Scanner with full OBD or EBD function. Read and clear codes. Turn off. Engine light or mill. View freeze frame. 1 key I or M readiness. Retrieve vehicle VIN. Battery voltage test. Live data stream 10000 plus DTS O2 sensor test. Evap test mode 8. Onboard monitoring mode 6, etc. Build a DTC lookup library. You can find the related code definitions to help you determine if your car needs repair to save you time. LAUNCH offers lifetime free software updates for this unit to fix the latest bugs or add new parameters. Simply download the software from the LAUNCH website and then follow the on-screen instructions to install it. The review and print option allows you to save or print diagnostic reports. OBD or EBD car scanner diagnostic for all American cars after 1996, European cars after 2000, Asian cars after 2008. Supports 8 languages: English, Spanish, French, German, Russian, Japanese, Portuguese, Italian. Pros: affordable, easy to use, comprehensive code reading, live data monitoring, freeze frame data, O2 sensor testing, evap system testing. Cons: limited advanced features. While it offers essential functions, the CR3008 may lack some advanced features found in more expensive models, such as bidirectional control or advanced data logging capabilities. So, is the LAUNCH CR3008 Plus worth it? Absolutely! Whether you're a casual deer looking to keep tabs on your car's health or a mechanic needing a reliable tool, this scanner is a fantastic option. It's fast, easy to use, and packed with features for its price point. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you've used the LAUNCH CR3008 Plus or if you have any other scanners you'd like us to review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car gadget reviews.